Hello, everyone. Welcome to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's continue our search for more interesting fractal figures. Okay, so last time we drew fractal dragon curve. This was interesting because of that space filling property, space filling characteristics. So like this, one dragon curve is already a kind of shape rather than a connection of line, but when the level is high, it's really space filling. And also, when you draw four of them by rotating by 90 degrees each time, we can fill the space like this. And co by continuing this, for example, here, this space perfectly fits here. So by connecting all these, we can fill the space completely. Well, that was very interesting. Okay, what's today's topic? Today's topic is fractal Sierpiński triangle gasket, triangle or gasket. Have you heard of it? This is a very kind of famous fractal figure. So let's draw it using turtle. It's like this. Or shall we go to the Wikipedia page? So Sierpiński triangle or Sierpiński gasket. It's something like this. Okay, please read it if you are interested. So it's very simple. Okay, let's do that. Again, define a recursive function try because it's a triangle. Uh, N as level and S as size. Okay, let's draw it. So this is last time. So okay, 126. So we'll just save as say E126. Oops, sorry. Um, EL126 Sierpiński gasket dot py. Okay, so this time we will define try rather than dragon, and we don't need sign. So again, as usual, the base case. The base case is that base case, if n equals 0, draw an equilateral triangle of side length s. This is easy, right? You can try it. So here, if n equals 0, so 4 in range 3, colon, um, it's easy. T dot forward S, then T dot left, for example, by 120. This is very simple. And then return. So this is the base case. Okay. Then, if you want, of course, you can um, change lines here. Okay. Then, what's next? If otherwise, draw a lower left triangle of half size. So here, we will try to draw this one. So draw a lower left triangle of half size. This is simple. From we are here. So just from this position to the same orientation, just half size of it. So this will be done by try. And as usual, instead of drawing triangle, we will use recursive call of try of n minus 1 level and size is half of s. Okay? And then what's next? Um, Move to the midpoint of the base here and draw the same triangle try. So here we go halves of s over 2 toward the position and then draw the same thing. So it's like this. So t dot forward half of s, then do the same thing. N minus 1, s over 2. And then we need to come back. So we will come back by moving the same length, negative same length, negative s over 2. Okay? Then what's next? Then we're here. So we will want to draw this. So we will turn left by 60, go half of s, move, turn right by 60, and do the same thing. So t dot left by 60, then t dot forward half of s, then t dot right, yeah, or I should say left by negative 60. This will now we move horizontally to the right, the same train. Okay, horizontally, yeah, right, we're here. Move toward the top by s over 2, turn horizontally to the right, and draw the third triangle on top. Then return. So here, we will draw the next one. Try n minus 1, s over 2. Then, we will come back to, now we are heading here. So we will turn left and go back. So maybe we should write right by positive 60. And here we will do the same thing again, backward. Turn right by minus 60. Then t dot forward negative s over 2. And this is all. And then we should turn right. So turn dot, um, yeah, this one, left negative 60. Okay, this is all like actually. We will remove these, and that's all. Okay, let's again, we don't need color now. And then we will trace and see it. Okay, just for once. Okay, we don't need this. And one try is enough. So we will just write t dot, no, try s d 400. Let's see it. Okay. Where is the position? Maybe we should start a little toward left. So minus 150, minus 200. How about this? So let's draw only one. Okay, let's call the d equals 0. Okay, good. Okay, good. Then d equals 2, up to 2. So 0 first, and clear it. And then, yes, this is what we want. Good. Now it seems fine. Shall we change it to say 4 and turn off the tracer? And let's see it. Go 0, 1, 2, 3. Good. So we can increase it to say like 7 to see how it looks like. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's too much. Maybe, yeah, okay, 6. But 6 is enough, I guess. So it, it seems it's working well. Okay. So what's next? Coloring for better visualization. Yeah, we like this, right? So we want to color a triangle to better visualize the recursive structure. Can you do it? Yeah, try it. Stop the video and try it. The position is here. This is the the place we need T dot begin. T dot begin fill. And then after drawing this, T dot end fill. This is all, I guess. Um, let's see it. So let's see. Okay, it's simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Black is not good. In that case, of course, we can change the color to say T dot color. Fill color. Okay, I see. Um, T dot fill color. Is it in which fill color or fill half green? Let's try green. Ecosystem. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine. So this is how Sierpiński triangle in green is. This is what we call Sierpiński gasket. I hope you like it. This shape will come back again and again. So let's see what we can do next time. Okay, that's all for today. Come back next time. Bye bye.